Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is Shawnmyrelle here. So I decided to come on here and make a quick 5-minute, maybe 4-minute, maybe even 3-minute video about hair. I see some of y'all out there struggling, like struggling. I see afros, I see hair that's not washed, I see hair that's not being maintained properly, I see poor twists. All around, I'm seeing males that are having a hard time with doing something quick with their hair so that they can make it out the door, so that they can have a hairstyle that's professional for work, just so they can have something that goes throughout the day that's not too distracting and that doesn't convey a message of I don't take care of my hair. Today I'm going to give you guys a tutorial of doing 2 braids. I want to say it's called a crown twist. I want to say it's called a bro, what is it called? I really forgot the name of this. Crown braids. Today I'm going to give you guys a tutorial on crown braids with my own hair. It's not in braids right now. I decided to take my hair down so you guys can see that I be going through it too. When I don't take care of my hair, when I just try to get up out the house, I go through it too. So I ain't got too much hair, but alright, so we're going to practice with putting my hair in 2 braids. So the only thing you're really going to need to get this accomplished is a wide tooth comb and 2 hair ties and a couple hairpins if your hair is uneven like mine and you have to pin it in place so the braids don't come out. So it's actually really simple. I just go ahead and make sure I get my hair nice and detangled. Now notice I said detangled. I did not say combed out. You want to use a detangling comb for this because in order for you to retain length, you can't just be raking your hair out, you feel me? You got to be gentle with your hair. So what I like to do is I just go right down the center right here. Then make sure just set apart because you don't want it to get mixed up, because I think that's the worst thing, and it's only the worst thing when it's towards the back. Then we go ahead and take one of those hair ties. We're just going to put this side in a ponytail because we're not going to be doing anything with it just yet. Then we're just going to work on this side right here, and I'm trying not to do anything extra because when I'm in the mirror I'm doing like a lot of twisting around and moving around and looking at angles to make sure it's okay, but I pretty much got it down. So you're gonna just make a part, make sure that part is good, and we're gonna go ahead and get 3 separate pieces. Now I'm gonna go ahead and link Natural 85's braid tutorial because that's how I learned how to braid. And we're just going to use a clawing motion and grab the hair that we grabbed on the on my left. So, and then you're just going to use that clawing motion and go straight to the back and just braid back. You want to make sure like you don't have long nails when you do this too, because your nails will clip onto your hair and that is super annoying. So we're just gonna go ahead and braid to the back. This is what we're looking at so far. Boom, we're done. And then like I said, that's when you grab your hairpin and you just pin it in place so that the braid doesn't unravel at the end. Now again, y'all probably won't need to do that, but I have to do it because my hair is uneven. And see, there you go, you got yourself a braid. And now we're just going to repeat the same thing on this side. Just detangle. Notice I'm never putting the comb all the way through my hair. Never. Because when you do that, you break hair off. As you can see, there is nothing in this comb because, you know, I'm gentle with my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that. just like that. Get that other hair out the way. Find my 3 parts and start the clawing motion straight to the back. Man, my nails. See, like one of my nails came off. Just grabbing at my head. So we're just gonna use that clawing motion right straight to the back. And again, this is such a dope hairstyle because it's appropriate like anywhere. And no one's gonna constantly be like on your head trying to like judge you for your hair and your hair texture and whatnot. Cause yo, that's, as males, we get that a lot. Like if we decide to have long hair and we don't keep up with it, or it doesn't look kept up with, then people like, they judge us, and they're, especially black males, they judge us and they're just like, oh, you need to do something with your hair. And if you're someone that struggles with getting your hair done or doing your own hair, one of the most annoying questions you can get is, when are you gonna do something with your hair? That's a microaggression, to be honest. So there we go. We went ahead and got the braids in, and I just put pins throughout it so that, you know, it can kind of lay flat and not look weird. Like right there, it kind of stick out. And let me tell you, as a male, this is one of the privileges that we have as a male that a lot of people don't want to talk about. It's black males with hair. Black women, there is definitely a pressure on black women to do things with their natural hair and make it look pretty, right? Otherwise, they're not really accepted in society or accepted in the workplace. I'm not going to get too deep on that because that's not what this video is about. But that's something that we don't have to deal with as black males in society. A lot of times we can just go out with our hair looking any kind of way and people just kind of shrug it off because we're males. There's no expectation to look pretty. There's just no expectation, so we can get away with it. While women tend to feel more conscious about what's going on because people are judging them. So, you know, again, I'm just saying all this to say that I understand what you're going through, and I just want to give you a quick crown braid idea to just keep your hair compact, because I notice in my experience with long hair, the more compact and more not out there my hair seems, the more professional it comes off, the more good attention, right? The more good attention that I generate. So yeah, this is my hair, the crown braids. Let me give y'all a quick look at the back. This lasts all day. You can sleep in it. What I prefer to do is I sleep in a bonnet. When I wake up, the braids are kind of loose, because personally, I kind of like when the braids get kind of fat and kind of like big on the side, where you can really see that this is black is king, right? Right, like Beyonce say. No, but I'm really proud of my hair. I'm not so proud that I would never cut it, because I've cut my hair before when I felt like I really needed to get humble. And I will do it again, because I realized that I don't need my hair like I used to think I needed my hair. But just to everybody that's watching, hopefully this style helps you out. You see even right there, like that little stick. Anything that's sticking out, just go ahead and either use a hairpin and put it back in, or just, if you got long enough hair, just tuck it back in. And so there you go. You can see that there's my part. If you want to see more hair content, more to the point styles, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for checking out the video today. Make sure you make sure you subscribe to the channel for more Shawn Myrelle content. Again, thank you already to my subscribers who've been watching. I got more stuff on the way. Love from Phoenix.